think they're all alive. Just some move more than others.
You see them feeding it right now as well. It looks like what they use the hairs on their feet definitely to catch
Is
food
that
particles.
guy dead? Or is that?
It looks
If
like.
anyone was
No,
dead, it would be that
Yeah,
one.
upside down one.
I can say the one.
Are they eating it?
Yeah, that's what
like.
I'm wondering. We didn't eat them.
I sort of looked them up on Wikipedia,
Yeah.
and they have internal mouth parts, unlike insects, which have external mouth parts. So they have nothing.
Oh, that's why they have the different
Which is why they're not
classification.
the same food technology.
Cool.
Yeah, that one looks pretty good.
Are they cannibals?
The curled up ones are dead.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's three of
The
them.
little one looks like it's.
It looks like one of them's like eating the bottom part of that one you said I was dead.
Oh wait, it just started moving again.
Yeah, that one looks like it's eating. Yeah, it looks like it's eating it.
Maybe.
Or-
Oh no, it's moving.
Well, some of the ones that were. Yeah, there's.
Oh no, it's moving.
Well, that one in the middle does not look alive.
Yeah. Has anyone done this in Appledore before?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I haven't.
Yeah. Fair enough.
So I'm taking video too, so we can slow it down on the
Yeah.
computer and look at it frame by frame if we want, if we
So they're
see
walking
anything
in water.
interesting.
I mean, some of the ones that look dead aren't dead.
Yeah, they still
They just
Like
crawled
that.
up.
I
Yeah.
feel like they have
They do. But I see that it almost like they're cooking two parts of the hand. Like I see.
Yeah, see, one that looked dead just turned over and started going again.
There's that one.
So it might be that they're just plain dead for some reason.
Conserving energy, not moving. Or it
Yeah.
could just be they curl up and start feeding.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah.
They could just
Like-
grab on the
I wonder,
food
like,
and start eating like
Are the
that.
hair particles do the hair particles exist to stick to
You
stuff?
see,
Or
look, it just
do they exist to grab food?
That.
They're like,
Oh,
and
you
then you go back to, oh, this kind of stuff. There they go.
Oh yeah, they're definitely reaching out for each other.
They do that for each other. Wow.
Do they? I thought the exact opposite thing. To me, it looked like it's purely just, yeah, like magnetic or something. They just.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're not even like.
Water tension maybe?
holding on to each other. They're just like squirming next to each other.
The ones that hairs are the end of
Yeah.
Put their arms out.
But like, how do they have that attraction?
Yeah, it almost looks magnetic.
You see that? They're going towards each other intentionally.
Yeah, you see that
Yeah.
they're like swimming towards each other.
Yeah, like they're pointing towards each other. Or they're all over the place. It could be in any direction they swim. Or like the pheromone, like you said, like something pheromone, that's the one.
It wouldn't be possible to test for some sort of like
Yeah.
magnetic force or something. In theory.
So it looks like the ones at the outskirts are a lot more active too than the ones in the
In the
center.
center, yeah.
Yeah, they are.
Oh yeah, that is the
You
case.
just like, you know, really
So like in a school of fish, we think of it as this really like mutually beneficial thing, but there's actually a lot of competition to be in the middle of the school, right? Because all the benefits are in
But like the
the
inside ones
center.
are pretty.
See, one of the insides about to go out.
But like the outside, I don't know if they're the ones that make sense.
The ones in your.
Huh. Yeah, they'll move as well in line. You can survive in the
Yeah, so
surface.
they clearly walk
Yeah.
when they're on land.
And they
What
can,
about in the water?
Yeah, they walk like.
Looks like they swim.
like some sort of.
Yeah.
I think they just walk on the surface, don't you?
Yeah, but not as well as like pond skaters or whatever. It's like they're trying to walk, but not.
Oh. So they float
Yeah.
instead of walking.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not walking. Like if we think about their leg speed,
Yeah.
Yeah.
their legs are moving way faster
Yeah.
in the water than on land.
Yeah, another interesting observation.
Which
It's a little doggy paddle.
so they're not very good at it.
Yeah, but somehow survived out in the wild.
I mean, like they seem like they're working very hard
Like, do
and
they
achieving very little.
But they don't have to work very hard once they're all in the club.
Do they like to be like this, or is this a survival kind of?
And so we have all different size clumps on here too. So here's a much smaller clump. That's just sort of naturally,
And
not naturally at all. That's just sort of equilibrated to be this size.
Yeah.
see what? The inside is just sitting, not moving, just doing this motion. Very much so.
I guess the ones that weren't moving are just like conservative energy in the center. Like this is the case.
Like migratory bees take turns being at the front of the pack and breaking the wind.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's social dynamics like that.
Interesting, yeah.
Here.
Again, this could be like a social insect. Not insect. What was the other term for it?
Hexapod.
Hexapod, yeah.
I won't complain if you call it an insect. How's that guy? Yeah, there's a clump of, one just left it.
Yeah.
It's a small one right there.
It looks like it's trying to swim away. It's like a hook
Oh no!
Oh, they're moving. Oh, they connected back in.
Yeah.
So that one, like underneath that one looks dead.
Oh
Yeah,
no.
that one
very
looks.
good.
So I don't think they do stay connected.
Is it possible to move it towards the pump?
Oh, the one just moved away. They are swimming in between the groups. I see actually.
Okay.
It's twitching. Or if that is it, twitching or water.
It might just be.
Yeah, there's all sorts of even tinier stuff.
Yeah.
That this is some monster dragon thing.
How about this group over there? It's the smallest one. Smallest of the bigger two.
It's just hard to get it.
Well, they're gonna connect now, so.
The only problem doing that is the water stays moving a lot.
Yeah, when water, they don't flow over the water, they just separate once water flows over them. It's not like fire ants where it's like a surface tension.
Oh, they really are like reaching for each other on the edges.
Yeah, see?
It seems like it, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could be the pheromone, supposed pheromone from the paper we're gonna see.
So does this raise more questions than it answers? What are we thinking about now? What if we drain the water out? What if we make them swim? Can we do that? How do we submerge them?
They squirt water on them.
We did, yeah, and they separate, but they always clump back almost immediately.
It sucked up a bunch, but.
Oh, okay, now.
Oh, you can see the shadow of one swimming.
Ah, dang.
Whoa.
There it
Even
is.
in here, I can't get them under the water.
Yeah. They don't sink, they got buoyancy.
Look at that.
It must just be the hair.
Yeah.
I mean,
It looks like it's swimming way faster.
okay, so my question then is, do the dead ones sink? Or is
No,
this
this is
the
one place.
nature of the composition of the... Springtail.
Like, do they actively do anything to float, or do they?
Yeah.
Are they buoyant? It's material. Are their heads, is it always the head end pointing out from the
Yeah,
rat?
it looks like it.
If they're on the outside.
If they're moving on the outside, then yeah.
It's not usually the case, but when they are moving like that, they are.
The only time they turn around is to crawl back.
If they don't move along the walls, like just replicate customers.
Yeah, they would walk
Yeah,
like,
they
I
have
guess,
to
regular.
They immediately disperse and put them on.
There you go, yeah.